Hello everyone, I am Anushka and in this video I am going to make a vase using old newspaper. So watch the video till end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's start. First of all, take a newspaper and start folding it. After folding it, take a scissor and cut the paper. Now you can take a refill of pen or a toothpick and start rolling it. Process, make 25 of them. Using glue, stick them at a gap of 1 cm as shown in video. Now make 5 more patterns from the remaining of newspaper. Using scale, mark the equal line and cut it. Now stick them all together. for 2 minutes to dry. To make a base, draw a circle on a cardboard and cut it. Now apply a glue on the base of cardboard. Start rolling the base with the paper strips which you have made. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please press the bell icon.